Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just going to the Notepad++ and just creating another page. Okay, and in this page what I'm just going to do, actually I'm just creating a new folder named includes. I was just adding the include slash db.php, by the way. Now inside the includes folder I'm just creating the db.php and press enter. Okay, I got the page inside the CMS and inside the includes folder the db.php, so I'm just deleting this s and I'm just creating the PHP code. Okay, perfect. Now inside this simple space I'm just going to add some things like the server, what is the name of the server, and the username, all the things, and then the password, and then what is after that, the DB. Okay, equal to, actually this is the perfect way, I should put these things as well. Okay, now actually I just forgotten all the things, but I just remembered the server name, the local, which is the localhost actually. Okay, and the password and the DB is the CMS system. Save that, go to the browser and just check this out that I'm perfect. Yeah, that is right. Now going to the CMS system and going a little back, and here where is the, yeah, this is the old include folder. So I'm just opening this in the edit.php, sorry, notepad.php, and this is the db.php. The username is John, which we just created for this whole course, and the password is monkey. So close that. The username is John and the password is monkey. You must have this username and password already in your MySQL. If I just go to the server and if I just click on the users, and there is the John, and it has a password which is the monkey. So right now I'm just opening the includes. Oh, before that we have to create the connection. Create the CONN variable and let's just type MySQLi connect. Okay, this is the function which actually connects us to the database, and then the the server, comma, the username, okay, the comma, another comma, and the password, and then the DB. Okay, save that. Now just go to the browser to check that you've got something wrong or no. So press and enter. Now object not found. Just why? Just because I have to add the includes slash db.php. Now I got no error, that means everything is perfect here. Okay, so I'm just going to include this file to the post.php at the top. Okay, so here I'm just opening the notepad, the db.php. So I'm just including that in the first line, no problem. Include, and this is the function name, and this is the file name, include slash db.php. Save that, go to the browser and go back a little, refresh that. I'm getting no error, that means everything is perfect. So now what I'm just going to do is actually, this is a post.php. I'm just copying this. Actually at this time I'm just thinking to work in the index.php, so I'm just pasting the same includes.php in the index.php. Let's just refresh that again, and I'm getting no error, that means everything is fine. So I'm going inside the PHP, which I just opened in this section area, and simply creating, or actually adding the SQL. Okay, simple selection SQL and equals to, and here I'm just adding the query select all from the, not the, actually this is the English word I just added last time and I got the error, if you remember, by the way. So here I just have to mention the table name, which is the posts. I just already connected the database, so now just run SQL and equals to MySQLi query, and everything is fine. Now simply call the connection and the $SEL SQL and save that. Now run the while function. Why the while function? Just because I just want to run the MySQLi fetch a sock. Okay, cover this up. Now run SQL. Okay, because I just want to fetch all the data from the post table actually in the PHP, this index.php. I'm just simply copying the whole panel from there and just pasting it here. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting a single raw. That means there is something inside the database, actually a single result, or you know that it is. So by the way, I'm just removing the first post, and let's just delete that and also delete this whole PHP area. Oh, sorry, P tag actually. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now nothing here to be seen. Now in the H3, I'm just breaking the echo, or actually the single quotes, and just adding the raws and the title. This title is coming from the database, you know. Let's just refresh that. Now I got the post, the first post. This is actually belongs to the database, if you know. If I just click on the posts area, and this is the first post, and then in the P area I'm just breaking the single quotes and adding another row, and here what I'm just adding description. Save that. Now you know that this is the description which actually I just added. Now refresh that. I got the description, but the problem is that this is too much lengthy. So what to do here? So now if you just remember that I just teach you about a function named substr in the string functions area. The substr, this is an interesting function, and for creating this function we have to wait for a while now. Just cut that and just paste it inside. Now mention that where you just want to get the result or the characters. From the 0 character I just want the description till the 101. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now these are only 100 characters which I'm just getting, but this is not really perfect. I should mention the 150. Refresh that, or the 200 is more better. Save and refresh that again. Now these are the 200 characters. Let's just upgrade it up to 300. Refresh that. Now 300 is more perfect. Let's just upgrade it to 400 and refresh that. The 400 is not really cool, by the way. 350 and refresh that, or the 300 again. Refresh that, because I don't want this read more button down there, by the way. So this is perfectly did. Now the second thing is I'm just adding some points to clearing that the last word can be cutted. You know that this is the way. Not only 3 points, some more points to clearing, by the way. Refresh that. Now this is more perfect. So guys, when I just click on read more button, I'll get the whole post, but still the post.php isn't updated, by the way. So this is the perfect thing which I just did, and I will do some more things in next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.